Good morning, children. Now we are going to study English subject. Last class you draw the diagram, children. You draw. What do you play with? Bat, ball. Name your friend's toys. Then my friend has a what your friend has a toy. You should draw here. See here. Here is the picture. See, children. Here. What do you play with? You should draw. உனக்கு என்ன வச்சு விளையாட பிடிக்குமோ அதை வந்து நீ என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க விளையாடணும் இங்கே வரையணும் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நேம் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் டாய் ஆல்சோ யூ ஷுட் ட்ரா ஹியர் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் alphabet small letters I S B D this is L, then C, H. In previous class, have you remember children in the previous class, we read the alphabets, we have already read the alphabets A, T, P, N, have you remember that one? Like that, this I, S, B, D, L, C, H. In this letter, you should write the words. For I, first one for I. What picture here you see? Have you able to see the book, children? Here see. For I, ink pot. I-N-K, ink, P-O-T, pot. This is the first picture. Next, Idlis. I-D, here I-D-L-I-E-S, Idlis. Next letter S, small ABCD. For S, sun, S-U-N, sun. Next soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Here, have you able to see the picture, children? Here they are given picture. This letter C, I-S-B-D-L-C-H. For I, ink pot, Idlis. For H, sun, soap. For B, bat, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. For D, dog, D-O-G, dog, and doll, D-O-L-L, doll. For L, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Next one, lion, L-I-O-N, lion. C, car, C for car. Cap, C-A-P, cap. For H for house. Next one, what is that one? Hen, H-E-N, hen. Here in your book, here is the children. In your book, here they are given pictures. Letter I-S-B-D-L-C-H. Then for I, ink pot, Idlis. Ink pot, what spelling? I-N-K, ink. Pot, P-O-T, pot. Ink pot. Idlis, have you know children idli? For morning breakfast, we ate no idli. I-D-L-I-E-S, idlis. Next letter, S. For S, sun, S-U-N, sun. Sun is Suryan. Next soap, S-O-A-P, soap. We soap use pandola, taking bath, soap. Next letter B. For B, bat, B-A-T, bat. And another one, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. For D, dog, D-O-G, dog. Next, doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Next for L, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Next lion, L-I-O-N, lion. C, for C, car, C-A-R, car. C-A-P, cap. H, for H, house, H-O-U-S-E, house. H-E-N, hen. Have you understand, children? They are given the small letters I, S, B, D, L, C, H. For I, they are given 2. Ink pot, Idlis, 2 words. Ink pot, Idlis. For S, sun, soap. For B, bat, ball. For D, dog, doll. For L, lemon, lion. For C, cat, car, cap. For H, house, hen. Have you understand, children? Now, you should take your note and write as it is. Give space, touch the line, write. Okay. In the last class, we saw A, small letter. A, T, P, N. Have you remembered that, children? A, T, P, N. For A, for A, say the word for A. Ant. Have you remembered that one? Remember or not, children? Ant, apple, axe. For T, top, tap, tent. For P, pan, pot. For N, net, nest. Have you remembered that one? This is in last class we saw this letter. Now I, S, B, D, L, C, H. Now for now how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. In last class we saw 4, A, T, P, N, 4 letters only. Okay, have you remembered that one, children? Okay. Now write, children. All must write, children. Say the spellings. Write neatly. Okay. Then next. Next one. Next one, rhyming word. Read, say aloud rhyming word. That is same voice, same sound letter, same sound words. Rhyming words. Here see, hip, tip, dip. Same sound, no, children? Hip, 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 tip, 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 dip, DIP, dip. That is same sound. Next one. Next, sit, hit, 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 lit, LIT, lit. This is also same sound. Sit, hit, lit. Next, third one. Din, din, bin, bin, tin. Here also same sound. First one, hip, tip, dip. Same sound. Hip, 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 tip, 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 dip, DIP, dip. Same sound. Hip, tip, dip. Next, sit, hit, lit. Sit, 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 HIT, hit, LIT, lit. Same sound. Third one, din, bin, tin. This is din, this is bin, this is tin. DIN, din, BIN, bin, TIN, tin. Same sound words. Okay, that is rhyming word. Have you understand, children? Write this also, children. Next. See here. You should write, here see, children, page number 107. Here they are given the word wall. Word wall. So here see some words are here. Sip, hip, lip, dip, nip, tip. Same sound words. Here see. Sip, hip, 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 lip, 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 dip, 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 nip, 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 tip, TIP, tip. Here see, children. Same sound. Sip, hip, lip, dip, nip, tip. Same sound words. Sip, 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 hip, 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 lip, 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 dip, 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 nip, 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 tip, TIP, tip. Same sound words. Okay, that is word. Din. Here see. Din, 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 PIN, pin, TIN, tin, BIN, 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 bin. Next, BIT, bit. CIT, sit. PIT, pit. HIT, hit. LIT, lit. This is also same sound word. Here they are given word wall in page number 107. Next, see, SAT, SAT, SAT. MAT, mat. SAT, mat, pat. PAT, pat. This is also same sound word. Next, MAP, map. CAP, cap. NAP, map. LAP, lap. TAP, tap. Here see children, same sound, map, cap, hap, lap, tap. Okay. In the word wall they are given in page number 107. See, sip, hip, lip, dip, nip, tip. Next, din, pin, tin, bin. Next, bit, sit, pit, hit, lit. Sat, mat, pat. Next, map, cap, hap, lap, tap. Why they are given means you should pronounce the word. How you should pronounce like that? You should pronounce sip, SIP, sip. Hip, HIP, hip. Lip, LIP, lip. Dip, DIP, dip. NIP, nip. TIP, tip. Next, DIN, din. PIN, pin. TIN, tin. BIN, bin. Here DIN, din. Here BIN, bin. Difference you saw children? Din, bin. Here see, bit. BIT, bit. SIT, sit. PIT, pit. HIT, hit. LIT, lit. Here SAT, sat. MAT, mat. PAT, pat. Map, MAP, map. CAP, cap. HAP, hap. LAP, lap. TAP, tap. Have you understand children? இது எதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா நீங்கள் இதை வந்து மறுபடியும் படிக்க உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகும், நிறைய வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு படிக்க முடியும். இந்த ஸ்பெல்லிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்கள் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கும்போது வாட் again and again you should read, no, then only you can remember. இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பெரிய கிளாஸ்க்கு போகும்போது இதெல்லாம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். அதனால தான் வந்து வேர்ட் வால் பேஜ் நம்பர் 107 they have given in page number 107. Okay children, next. Next, fill in the blanks. You should say the answer. What? Here see. This is a dash. What is this? What is this picture? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Okay children. Next one. Here see. T-H-I-S this. I-S is A. What is this? Nib. Nib. N-I-B. Nib. This is nib. N-I-B. Nib. Next, third one. This is a, what is this? Lid. Lid na moodi. Here the given picture. Okay. You should see the picture and write in the dash. What this is a dash. Here see what is this? Pen. So you should write the answer pen. Pen what spelling? P-E-N, pen. Here they are given the picture. This is a dash. What is this picture? Nib. So you should write spelling N-I-B, nib. Here they are given picture. This is a dash. This is a picture is lid. So you should write the answer lid. Spelling what? L-I-D, lid. Have you understand children? Write this. Here see, next one. Next, here see they are given one picture. One picture. They are asking questions. See, is it a pin? Is it a pin? Is it a pin, ma? No. So you should write no. It is not. What? No. It is not. Okay. Is pin na? No. So you should write the answer no. It is not. Then again they are asking. What ask? Is it a bin? Is it a bin? No. No, it is not. No, it is not. Next again they are asking what? Is it a fin? Is it a fin? Again no. It is not. Again, is it a tin? Is it a tin? Then what it is it a tin or not? Yes. You should write yes, it is. So they are given the picture tin. They are asking the question, is it a pin? No, it is not. Is it a bin? No, it is not. It is a fin? No, it is not. Is it a tin? Yes, it is. It is a tin. Okay, have you understand, children? In page number 107 they are given, see here. Here is the picture tin. So, tin. Is it a pin? No, it is not. Is it a bin? No, it is not. Is it a fin? No, it is not. Is it a tin? Yes, it is. Okay, have you understand, children, now? Now have you all understand, children? Have you all understand, children, now? Okay. Next. Next here see. Here is one picture. See, here is one rabbit. Here want to eat the carrot. So you are given so many words, but you should follow only IP. Last letter is IP. That words only you should write. Here see IP, nip, NIP, nip. Next PIP, pip. Next DIP, dip. Only IP words only you should write, children. SIP, sip. LIP, lip. TIP, tip. NIP, nip. HIP, hip. Here many words are here, children. You should write only what? IP. Last IP, no IP sound words only you should write. Here see, nip, pip, dip, sip, lip, tip, nip, hip. So sound is IP. Same sound. Nip, pip, dip, sip, lip, tip, nip, hip. What spelling? NIP, nip. PIP, pip. DIP, dip. SIP, sip. LIP, lip. TIP, tip. NIP, nip. HIP, hip. Same sound words. Okay, only you should write IP words. IP words only you should write. Have you all understand, children? Now all take your note and write this one. Now write this one. We will see in the next class, children. Thank you, children.